In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Google Sheets as a very basic project management tool. To access Google Sheets from your Gmail, click on the grid icon and select Sheets. Select the plus sign to launch a new spreadsheet. Name your sheet. Spreadsheets consist of rows and columns. Rows run side to side, and columns are up and down. Each individual block that you see me highlighting here is referred to as a cell. We're going to use this spreadsheet like a basic chart to manage a project. And to make the chart easier to read, I recommend enlarging the cells. To do that, select number 1 here in the number column, click and drag down to grab a number of rows. I'm just going to grab 14 rows for the sake of demonstration. Right-click if you're using a PC and select Resize Rows 1 through 14. And this will allow you to specify the height of the row, giving you more room. I'm going to double the size, so I'm going to type in 41, click OK. And so now my cells are larger. The next thing I'm going to do is add some titles to these various columns. So the first title I'm going to add is task name. You have to obviously list the tasks. So all of your tasks for the project will be listed in this column. To enter text, you first want to highlight the cell in which you want the text to appear. Then click up in this bar to actually enter your text. So I'm going to enter all of my column names. The next one will be due date. All right, sorry about that. My laptop is very jumpy. So these are some sample column names. You can set it up this way. You don't have to. You can come up with your own titles for your columns. If you would like to add formatting to all of these at the same time, you can do so by grabbing or clicking to highlight the first cell and dragging across to the last. If you would like to boldface these, select the B for boldface. Let's say we want to enlarge the font size, click here, select the size that you would like them to be. If you would like these titles centered within the cells, click here, select center. And if you notice, some of these titles just barely fit within the width of the column. To enlarge your column width, simply hover on the bar between two columns, click and drag to the right, and that will enlarge them. So I'm going to do that here as well. You're going to need lots of space to write your task names, so I highly recommend making that one nice and large. Now, under Done here, there's a nice feature you can add, which is a checklist. So you can click on the first cell here and drag down to the last one. And under Insert, select, where is it? Checkbox, here it is. And this will add a checkbox. As you are working through the tasks for your project, as team members are completing their tasks, and they can simply go in here and check the task off to indicate to the team that they're completed. So the rest of the information you can type in freehand. This tutorial was just meant to get you up and running using Google Sheets. Google Sheets might be a little challenging if you're not familiar with spreadsheets, so I encourage you to reach out to me to get in touch if you'd like some one-to-one assistance. And as I've mentioned in other tutorials, it's easiest to reach me through Gmail. And I hope this was helpful for you, and hopefully we can connect at some point, either about Google Sheets or one of the other apps. Thanks for watching.